¿cómo estás? Yo soy Luli y el día de hoy te quiero leer una historia, pero en este libro necesito de tu ayuda. ¿Estás listo? Vamos a empezar. Mira, este es el libro del día de hoy. Y dice, Don't Push the Button by Bill Carter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, I thought. I wonder what would happen if we push it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Are you ready? Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Boop. Egg. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Are you ready? Push it twice. Boop, boop. Now there's two of me. 1, 2. Push it a bunch of times. Are you ready? Boop, 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 boop. Oh no! Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Are you ready? Let's shake the book. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here, to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Are you ready to make? That's tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Y se acabó la historia. Espero que te hayas divertido tanto como yo en esta historia. Nos vemos pronto.